How to watch SEC Network Plus on YouTube TV. SEC Network Plus, SEC Plus, a digital-only channel that streams additional Southeastern Conference games, is accessible via YouTube TV using the ESPN app. Here's how to watch it. Step 1. Subscribe to YouTube TV. Ensure you have a YouTube TV subscription. Subscribe to YouTube TV with the Sports Plus add-on, which includes the SEC Network. Verify access to SEC Network. Open YouTube TV, navigate to the Live tab, and check if the SEC Network is in your channel lineup. Step 2. Install the ESPN app. Download the ESPN app. On your smart TV, streaming device, or mobile device, download the ESPN app from the App Store. Open the app, launch the ESPN app once it's installed. Step 3. Authenticate your YouTube TV subscription. Link your YouTube TV account. In the ESPN app, navigate to Settings TV Provider, sign in. Select YouTube TV as your provider. Sign in with your YouTube TV credentials. Enter your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step 4. Access SEC Network Plus. Go to the SEC Network section. In the ESPN app, navigate to the SEC Network section. Select SEC Network. Plus content. Look for games or events labeled as SEC Plus or SEC Network Plus and select them to start streaming. Step 5. Watch SEC Network Plus on YouTube TV. Search for SEC Network games. Use the YouTube TV app to check if SEC Plus content is directly accessible. Some events may also appear as part of the SEC Network's live programming. Switch to the ESPN app if needed. For SEC Plus content not available on YouTube TV, use the ESPN app as your primary platform. By following these steps, you can watch SEC Network Plus games using your YouTube TV subscription through the ESPN app.